Hello world, welcome to my 12th video on my YouTube channel and the third video in my Twitter bot playlist. My Twitter bot is using the Tweepy API, and in the first video we composed a tweet live from my Jarvis-like program. In the second video we followed people based off a specific hashtag automatically. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I've automated the retweeting of posts based off a certain search term, and then post a randomly selected motivational quote. Eventually, all these automated tasks will be live, and it'll build my social media following automatically. I don't know why, but motivational quotes are a big part of social media norms. It doesn't make any sense to me, so I automated it. It's probably how I'm going to approach most things when it comes to social media. And so first, let's check out how it runs. So if you look at my Twitter, I am following 344 people and I have 307 followers. The last post I made was thanking somebody for a follow. Okay, let's go to PyCharm and we're going to run it. So what it's going to do is, based off of an automated select search terms, it's going to follow people. Then it's going to retweet things based off of that search term. And then it's going to compose a motivational tweet. Okay, so let's see it in action. There's the error I keep getting. Okay, so using the hashtag computer programmer, which when I show you in the code, you'll see that it automatically selects search terms that I find that I want to follow people on. And it's telling me who I'm following. So I've already followed. So what it's doing is it's favoriting or liking a status, and then it's following them. So if I've already liked that status or I've already followed them, then it's going to come up with that error. So I followed some people, and now using computer programmer, I am retweeting. So as you can see, it says I've already retweeted this tweet, and then I found a tweet by Pythbuster, and I retweeted that. Okay, retweet published successfully. Okay, and then it says you tweeted, if you only read the books that everyone else is reading, you can only think what everyone else is thinking, by Haruki Murakami. And then it says this quote was automatically generated using Python. So that was all automated. The Tweepy has excellent error codes, so a beginner like me can see it. So I've already retweeted this tweet. And then it says retweet published successfully. Same thing when I was auto-following people. It says I am following IntelliGo jobs using computer programming. And then if I've already favorited a status, it tells me here. Okay, now let's go to my Twitter, and we're going to refresh this. Okay, so now you can see that I am following 346 people. Haven't got any new followers just from that short second. Okay, and you can see it tweeted that if you only read the book's motivational quote. And then here you can see my retweets. There you go. All from my central program. Okay, so now let's look at the code. And if this is your first time you're seeing one of my videos, then it's important to note that this is not a tutorial series. So first, some new things is this random quotes. So if you go to this website, all right, it gives you quotes. But there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on each page. And so when I found this tutorial on the internet, it only searched the first page. So what I did was I used from the random library, I imported something called ranrange. And then there's only 10 pages on this website of quotes. So 100 quotes, 10 times 10. And so I want a randomly selected number 1 through 10 and then apply it to this URL, this page, and then this will be automatically generated. Okay, then the rest of this is what's required to what's called parsing in HTML. Okay, then for the quotes that you find, you append it to this scraped right here. And then I'm asking for all the quotes that it downloaded from in this scraped right here. I want it to find a random one. And then I want you to tweet it and then say this quote was automatically generated using Python. Okay, so this is a dictionary. So you'll see a random post is a dictionary. And then the 0 is the quote. The 1 is the author. This is the tilde, either way. Okay, and then it returns a random tweet. Okay, then I pass that to this compose tweet. So the tweet message is the get random quotes function I just showed you, and then it tweets the message. And then it lets me know on the console that you tweeted the message. That's what you saw here. You tweeted the message and then the author. Okay, auto follow we've already seen. Unfollow function is in my last video. And then this retweet. So what it says is for each tweet in your search of this randomly generated term, right, print that. I did it 6 times. Now there are API limits, so you can't just let this go all day long. It does, so I'm just incrementally increasing it until I get that limit. And so we're going to try that, printing the tweet, which you saw. And then it lets me know in the console that it was published successfully. And then it sleeps. Again, when you see the sleep, it's to comply with their API. So you just don't ping the website a million times. So right now I have it at 9 seconds. I've tried to decrement it to see if I don't hit that API limit. And then if you get the error, print the error. So as you saw, retweet not successful. Reason, that shows up here, is you have already retweeted this tweet. Okay? And this is called error catching or error handling. And this is super important, especially when my Jarvis-like program goes live. So you want to catch all the errors so the program doesn't crash. Alright, so I'm really excited about this progress. My next tasks using this automated Twitter bot are to automatically reply to new followers and say thanks for the follow, and eventually be able to do what's called sentiment and trending analysis. So in all the search terms that I find valuable, that I want to meet other people with, Python, artificial intelligence, computer programming, machine learning, face recognition, automation, neural networks, so on, Bitcoin, I want to find other people that are interested in it. But I want to find the most popular posts, and I want to find the people who are the influencers and interact with them. And then hopefully they interact back and my social media grows. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification icon, and then share with all your friends. Goodbye, world.